Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this awesome alter evaluation template. This template will help you become more productive, focused and confident version of yourself. So let's get started. So first, let's take a look at our main pages in this template. There are many pages here like we have the purpose page, persona page, artifact page, area page, template page, task page, general page, habit page and finally resource page. Each page has its unique role in helping you manage your alter ego. First is purpose. This is where you define why you need an alter ego. Write down your goals and what you want to achieve from this. This gives you a clear direction. Second is persona. Here you can create the identity of your alter ego. Describe the qualities, quantities, background story, and give it a name. This helps you visualize and connect with your alter ego. Third is artifact. Choose an item that help you activate your alter ego, like glasses or ring. Ring is what I use actually. And document these items here so that you can quickly switch into your alter ego mode. Fourth, areas. List different part of your life like career or health and connect this area to your goals and projects to stay organized. Fifth is projects page. Break down your big goal into small projects. Set them, set deadlines, and track your progress here. Six, task. Create tasks for each project. Assign due date and priority to stay on top of everything. Seventh is journal. Write daily reflection of yourself, your alter ego perspective, creative, create insights and learn from your experience. Eight is habit. Track daily habit that support your alter ego. Check off each completed habits to build a consistency. Ninth is resource. Finally, the resource page. Store important articles, notes, and any reference, and link them to relevant project tasks. And finally, we have the activation button on the home page. One click and you can instantly activate your alter ego mode. Easy and quickly. And that's it. That the alter ego system template is a powerful tool that help you reach your goals and become the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye from now and stay productive and confident with your alter ego. Thank you.